The whole bike's a piece of crap.
Spark or Neo? Nah, it'll be good.
I'm going back to the scene of the snow loss of drone. It's going to be fine. I'm going to try direction track.
Direction track. Close. Direction track. 3, 2, 1. Aircraft landed automatically.
Not a good start. Okay, take two. I have upgraded the firmware on the drone. That wasn't very good, but it seems to be working fine now. Not quite as snowy, which is a good thing. Taking it easy, but let's have a little burst to see if it can catch up with me.
You know what I mean? It won't land. Okay, let's see if it'll get up there.
It's not performing very well and the gears are all over the place. I'm not liking this.
Oh. Well, it didn't take long for the motor to slip round. Oh well. Yeah, it's not exactly blowing me away power wise. I don't know if the battery's a bit sad, so I'll keep a check on the voltage. But apart from that, I think she's a cute looking bike. Of course, by spinning around the front, it's pulled all the wires out, managed to strip a bit of wire there and actually put this where I was worried it would go, right there underneath to get chopped as I go over the pump. Okay, problem number one.
What the
It's
hell?
become very loose now. Did I tighten it up? I've got a feeling that.
I'm riding like a bleeding grandma. What's going on here?
This seems very underpowered. I don't know what's going on. I've only got a front brake and it's squeaky as hell. Well, it hadn't cured the back end wobble. Look at that. Is that hysterical or what? I mean, seriously. Only me.
I try to cover my tracks up in certain areas. It just doesn't look good. Yeah, do you think that's fixed it?
Well, this is a little disappointing. The power seems to be crap. The whole bike's a piece of crap. I've got one front squeaky brake, a very wobbly motor.
Jeez, I need to get my hair cut. And when did I suddenly get curly hair? Will it make it through the trees?
Yes, it hit the tree. OMG, it's just dreadful. Absolutely dreadful. It's just making more noise. What the hell is happening?
I shouldn't be so negative. It might just be a load of things, botches that are wrong with it, and altogether they're making it seem dreadful. I don't know whether to try and fix them or just give up on it.
Flat out. It's doing quite a good speed. It's got the classic problem though. Every time you start pedaling, you interfere with the throttle.
It feels less powerful than my restricted high bike. I don't understand it. It's got like twice the power.
I'm just going to have a toot down the beach. It goes from bad to worse, doesn't it? It's just conked out on me. I almost feel like it ran out of battery, went below the threshold. I've been out for about 20 minutes. I've hardly done anything. There's the rig, by the way. A little bit hard to hold. this is crap. I think I'm going to put the hub drive back on it. It's quite a nice bike with the hub drive on. At least it might have better brakes if I eventually fix them. Okay, it's working again. I think I'm doing about 20 miles an hour here, that's about it. Cut out again. It's making my mind up for me. Let's put the hub back on. I might just put this up for sale, to be honest. It's not really what I need. Anyone want to buy BBSHD? Only slightly used.
Yeah, I feel no matter what I do with it, it's always going to have the problem with the gears and the twist in the rear swing arm, which I know eventually is going to snap. The thing I didn't like about the hub drive was the giant controller I had to strap below the seat. I might spend a bit of money and get a smaller, higher power one. For all that, I've got to get the new hub when it arrives and rebuild the wheel on the high bike. That's not working too well either. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm going to do something a bit more interesting at the weekend, as long as it's not too cold. I'll see you very soon.